Hey everybody, it's Greg Rice. We're here in the Bucket, Pawtucket, Rhode Island. And you may have seen that very sad, that very gruesome photo that we forwarded out last week. You're probably wondering to yourself, why the hell did you send me that? I don't care about that. True, you may not care about it. But what we feel is that over 10 years now, we've been sending content out that you maybe don't care about as well. Add this to the bucket. What we do is we give you our opinions, our experience, our data. We make videos, we perform interviews, we've hundreds of blogs that you may not even know about, just constantly pumping out industry-related, truthful content. Truthful content. We're not giving you bunnies and flowers and peaches and cream if that's not the case. Now, sometimes we do give you that because that's what it is. That's what we're talking about. But this was one of those that was not, right? This was a sad, scary moment. 10 years I've been doing this. 10 years I've been doing this. I've never seen that happen. Ever. I've seen tenants upset. I've seen them irate. You probably saw a video a few years ago. Tenant threw a computer, smashed our front window. Tenant came in here and held me up with a gun. Had a gun in his pocket, right? He was getting evicted. Another tenant came in and spit on our leasing director twice. It just happens. These are our daily things that we're exposed to right here in downtown Pawtucket. And you may not think that it happens or that it's going to happen to you, but it can. And that's the point, and that's the reason why we shared it, is because we want you to know that what we deal with is this murky pool of unknown gray water every day, and we're swimming through it, right? We're swimming through this water, trying to reach the other side. And the other side might be collecting a rent, finishing a turnover, right? Getting an eviction accomplished. Everything that we do, every task, involves going across this murky water. And some of them, short, right? You can see the shore on the other side. You're going to get there. Other times, you just don't know. You don't see the shore because you don't even know what you're dealing with. And that's what was happening this last week. Our technician was responding at 1 in the morning on a Saturday. Think about what you were doing at 1 in the morning on Saturday. He was going to fix a water leak in a bathroom. Great guy, upstanding guy, honorable, hardworking. It's impossible to find that nowadays. Just getting him to show up was bravo. And now he goes to show up, he's got his bag of tools, goes in the apartment, and then he gets jumped? What is that? That's terrible. This guy's making an honest living, going home to his family, and he gets attacked. And you don't think that it's right that we share that? It's truthful. It's sad. It's scary. It's part of this business. And it never was. Like I said, 10 years, never had any issues like this whatsoever. But times are changing, society's changing, and you as a landlord, in our opinion, need to be equipped with that information. We're giving you countless other points of data every day that you like, you dislike, you whatever, but we're giving it to you. And if you don't like the content, unsubscribe, unfollow, whatever it may be. But the people that have chosen to invest their life savings with us, they know that we're going to shoot them straight, that we're going to be transparent always. Okay, and we got quite a few people that are double-digit property owners. They're all in with Nexus. And we feel that holding information from them or not telling them certain things because it doesn't make them feel good or it's not politically correct in essence, it would be a disservice to them and a disservice to who we are, what our brand is. So it's sad, it's gross, I didn't like it. Nobody likes that. But it's something that you need to know and be aware of. If you're a DIY landlord, for example, you're going there by yourself, the tenants know that you're all alone all the time, just be careful. We're a big company and somebody still took a shot at us. You never know. So just be prepared. Have a network. I always talk about the network. You want to have a solid network behind you. somebody that's going to support you, somebody that can help you. In this case, maybe somebody that could go with you, right? But to turn a blind eye to something that happens because it doesn't make you feel good, it's not being truthful. So once again, any questions, any feedback, let us know. And once again, sorry to spoil your lunch there, but we just felt that something you had to know if you're following along to this industry. Once again, Greg Rice here in the bucket, your property managed.